Morning everyone, it's out with the pack walking this morning, but this is one of my living nature lectures. Talks about well, what I see. First of all, look at the difference in this environment here, this habitat as it's called, which is in this case small saplings of silver birch, and this area here which is pine and heather. Now I said the word aspect. It's the same with every single plant in this world. They all have certain conditions called their aspect that relate to how they grow and where they grow. And I can tell you, looking at this scene here, categorically, that this area over here is different to this area here, because this is acidic. This is a sandy deposit because heather loves free draining sand, acidic, rather than this here, which is no pine trees. Look, no pine trees. This is the last one here. These ones are all pine. Now the reason why aspect is important is that heather grows close to the ground and needs a lot of sunlight. So the pine tree is an ideal cover, because if you look up, look how little it blocks out the sunlight. So these plants thrive in this environment, but also does another, and another is called bracken. And bracken is here on a regular basis, competing and creating shade, which the heather doesn't like. So the local wardens in Sherrard's Park Wood, they come and they pull the bracken to encourage the heather, and you then get a fantastic correct environment for heather growth and these lovely areas of pine and heather and beautiful spring colour. Now some of them are actually autumn colour as well, and you get this incredible uplifting feeling when you walk through it. So it's man's adaptation of nature to the extent that it takes out one species to enhance the livelihood of another, and that is called aspect. And the same thing applies to your garden plants. Some like acid soil, some of them like alkaline soil, and some of them like a lot of sun, and some of them like a lot of shade. So think about that. How does the plant live in its environment? In nature, replicate it in your garden. So it's Richard. If you like what I say, please just share it. Ask other people to comment. I'm always happy to answer questions. Yeah, so it's Richard here.